Welcome to the world of roofing blogs, where your passion for roofing meets the need for effective communication. If you think starting a blog is just about writing down your thoughts, think again. There's a meticulous strategy behind it, and without a content calendar, you risk losing direction, wasting time, and missing opportunities to connect with homeowners. We are bighomeprojects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. So let's dig into the essential steps for creating a content calendar that keeps your blog organized and impactful. Number 1. Define your goals. Before you put pen to paper, decide what you want your blog to accomplish. Are you aiming to drive more traffic to your website? Maybe you're focused on generating leads or building loyalty among your readers. Whatever it is, be specific. For example, instead of saying you want more readers, you might aim for a 20% increase in website visits over the next 6 months. Clarity here is key. Number 2, create a template for the calendar. A solid calendar structure keeps you organized and on track. Consider using Google Sheets or other digital tools to set up columns for publication dates, content types, assigned team members, and status updates. Color coding. These elements can provide quick visual cues that help maintain balance and keep things tidy. Number 3, choose your channels. Where are you sharing your content? Your blog is the primary hub, but think beyond that. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram can broaden your reach. Tailor your content according to each platform's audience. Short and snappy for social media, detailed articles for your blog. Engaging with these channels not only extends your reach, but also gives insights into what your audience cares about. Number 4, plan for the entire year. Take a strategic approach by mapping out your content for the year ahead. Break it down into manageable sections like quarters or months. This allows you to align topics with seasonal trends. Think about roof maintenance tips before storm season hits, or energy-efficient roofing options in spring. Planning themed months can also create anticipation for your readers. Number 5, add your content ideas. Now comes the exciting part, filling in your calendar. Use keyword research to find out what potential customers are searching for in relation to roofing. Dive into customer pain points and frequently asked questions, exploring discussions in online forums or social media groups to tap into fresh insights. This will help you brainstorm engaging posts that resonate with your audience. Number 6, include key elements in your calendar. Your content calendar should track important details like publication dates, deadlines for drafts and reviews, and reminders for regular check-ins with your team. This accountability ensures tasks get completed on time and keeps everyone in sync. Number 7, update and review your plan regularly. Flexibility is vital in a successful content strategy. Regularly check performance metrics and seasonal trends in the roofing industry. See which posts generate the most engagement and adjust accordingly. If a how-to guide on winter maintenance becomes a hit, consider creating more similar content to meet that demand. Now, as you embark on this journey of creating a compelling content calendar, remember that it's not just about scheduling posts. It's about connecting with your audience and providing them value. Watch out for trends that might shift unexpectedly. Keeping an ear to the ground can help you stay ahead. For more insights and trusted connections in the home improvement space, visit bighomeprojects.com, where we bridge homeowners with reliable contractors who make every project a breeze.